time. So we'll do the left hand, doing underhand, going front to back. Underhand on the front like this, front to back, front to back, front to back. Or we could go like this first, and then slide it up to here. So you're down here, you bring it up, head high. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, like we did on the other side, we're going to bring it across and then go back to front, back to front, back to front, back to front. So this is the second hand, right? The right hand is going to lead this one. And it starts here. It follows coming across. It'll be here. It'll follow and come across back to front. And then let's do the right hand going back to front in overhand. You're going front to back, and then this one, you'll be over here on the left side. You'll pull it across and come back to front, back to front, back to front. So it's on the left side here. You're gonna pull it across and go back to front, back to front, back to front, and then come down one more time on the left, bring it across, up, back, front, back, front, back, front. And then you could try it with both of them, where you pull them both across and go back to front, back to front, back to front. Or you're down here on the left, you're gonna pull it across and go back to front, back to front, back to front. And then we'll go down on the left and from stillness, bring it up and over, back to front, back to front. And now you can try splitting the time where you speed one of them up and slow down the other one so that you bring it into split time. And then go back to together time. And then come down on the left. And now I want you to turn to the left, go into overhand. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna sweep back like we did before. And then from underhand, I want you to sweep up and over, come out and overhand. That was the full 180. This next time we're gonna sweep back and then come up, go halfway and go from back to front, back to front, back to front. And then turn left and come down into overhand on the left-hand side. Sweep back, up, halfway, back to front, and down. And sweep back again. And halfway up, back to front, and split the time, go into split time, and go back to the same time, and then come down on the left and overhand, and sweep back. And then this time, let's try and go up into split time, so they'll come up behind your head, and then your right one will go to the front, and the left one will follow, and then come down on the left and come into overhand, sweep back again. As we come up, and you go behind, the right one will go to the front first and the left one will follow. So the right one speeds up a little bit while the left one lags. Then you come down on the left and come into overhand. Sweep back. And come up. Speed up your right one, let the left one follow. You're coming into split time. And bring it back down. What might be helpful then is thinking about pumping down back behind your head, right? Because you have to go down and up. Down and up. The bounce includes going back down. And when you come down, you're pushing to the right-hand side for that counterclockwise version. The things that I would say to focus on to keep it up are, one, making sure you're doing that pump that we just spoke about at the bottom across the back of your head to the side. But then also, number two, when it comes to the front, keeping your hand above your eyebrows the whole time. I think that makes a big difference. And then the third one is the distance from your face, but you know, when you're not recovering from face surgery, that might magically go away pretty easily.